Hey everyone, welcome to today's how-to. This is a guy called Joe, and I'm going to show you how to insert new rows into Google Sheets. We'll be using the how-to instructions found on bootstrapping.tools. If you want to follow along, please use the link found in the description. So before we dive in, I have the instructions on the screen right here. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to add in a single row, and then I'm going to show you how to add in multiple rows, and then I'm also going to show you how to add in the rows above or below the selected area that you want. So we'll dive right in. If you have a spreadsheet, go ahead and navigate over to it. If you don't, you can just open up a new one. Quick, easy way to do that is sheets.new if you're using a Chrome browser or Opera or something like that. So first things first, adding in a new row. The way to do that is just select wherever you want to add in that row. So let's say we wanted to add in something to row 10. Select on any of the cells there and then right click. That's going to give you the little menu option, and then just select insert row. Pretty simple. It's going to add in the row exactly where you selected, which for us was row 10. If you want to add in multiple rows, what you can do is you can select multiple rows by clicking and dragging. So no matter how many you've selected, that's how many it'll ask you that you want to add in. So let's say if we wanted to add in 2 rows, highlight 2 of these cells and then right click, and you'll see insert 2 rows. Now, if we wanted to do 5, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then have that selected, right click, and then you'll be able to insert 5 rows. Similar to what happened with row 10, when we select 13 to 17, and then we insert 5 rows, everything that is in this section, so the current rows of 13 to 17 will get pushed down, and then our new rows will appear there as blanks, like so. Let's say though you wanted to add it below, that way you don't push all the content down. So if we say row 21 to row 25, we wanted to add in the row above instead of below, what we actually do is we have to select the row number. So see here, when we look at the menu, it's really just insert 5 rows. We don't really have any options for anything else. What you want to do is click on the row number so that the entire row is selected. And then when you right click, you'll see the option of insert one above or insert one below. To select multiple of them, just highlight all those cells. So let's say 21 to 25. A quick and easy way to do this is to hold down the shift key and then click on the row that you want to go up to. So in this case, 25. Now select all those rows at once. Once you right click, you'll see that now we have the option to insert 5 above or insert 5 below. So if we select insert 5 above, what we expect to happen is that row 21 and everything will shift down. If we wanted to insert it below, then anything under row 25 would get shifted down. So we select insert 5 below. As expected, everything that was and rows 26 to 30 is now at 31 to 35. You can do the same thing for just one. You just have to select the individual row, not a cell, but the actual row itself by clicking on the row number, and then you can insert one above or one below. So in this case, let's say one above. We expect that March 26, this data set over here is going to jump down to 22, and then we'll have a blank empty row in 21, like so. All right, well, that's basically it. Pretty simple, right? If you want to give it a try yourself, click on the link in the description and follow the instructions on bootstrapping.tools. We have a lot of different guides, so feel free to check this one out or anything else. If you do get stuck or you have questions along the way, please feel free to post a comment down below. We're here to help, so don't be shy. And of course, if you like the video, please click on the like button for notifications on our latest content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, of course. That's it for bootstrapping how-tos. We're out.